Okay, so welcome to another live session. This is the Java quiz. Last time we did technical one, and this time we are doing it for Java. In fact, we have done it for Java before. This time the questions are a bit different, and this time we will be announcing prizes as well. In fact, you can find the prizes in the description. I have mentioned all the things there. I just want to do one more thing before we get started. So just bear with me. There are some technical issues with the setup today, and that's why it is taking some time. Give me a second. I will be starting this soon. Okay, great. So I can see a lot of people are watching this. We will be starting quiz shortly, but before that, make sure that you hit that like button because that's important. That's what motivates me to do this type of sessions more. Uh, and also let me in the chat window if everything is good, my audio, my video, and if you're excited for this quiz. Okay, I will be starting the quiz. Okay, how do we join this quiz? How do we join this Menti? It's very simple. You need to find a link in the description. You will find a link like quiz link and click on that link. You will join the quiz. Otherwise, wait for me before wait for me to start the screen sharing here. Okay, great. So this is how you can join the quiz. Let me know if you can see that. So that's the QR code you have to use. So you can scan the QR code, or you can just go to the, we have the other option there, which is menti.com. So open your browser, go to menti.com and enter that code, which is 88106593. Okay, so you can see there are three buttons there, right? We have heart shape, we have devil symbol, like devil, and then we have thumbs up. So if you enjoy this Mentees, click on that thumbs up. If you love Mentees, click the heart button. If you want to win, click that devil button. And of course, everyone wants to win, right? Great. So I will wait for a few more people to join, and we'll get started. Just want to see if everything is good. How is the audio? Audio is good, right? Okay, don't worry. I will read your questions in this chat window here. Sometimes you need multiple windows to check. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining. We got around 700 people watching this, and let me know how many people have joined this Menti. And trust me, this is not just a game where we are playing and for fun. This is also a place where you can revise your Java concepts, and we'll discuss some of the questions. So before we start with the quiz, I have few questions to ask you just to get started, just to get you used to the Mentimeter. And so let's start with this. So the first question, which is on your screen, I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay. Just wanted to know which year you subscribed the Telusko channel. And if you have not done that now, subscribe the channel and make sure that you enter that number, which is 2022. So in which year you subscribed the Telusko channel? And majority people are saying 2020. Okay. So it's been 2 years of following me. Anyone who have joined before that? 2017. Okay, that's great. 2014. Oh. So we have few people who are watching this channel from day one. Awesome. So majority I can see 2020, okay, maybe because of lockdown, or maybe before that 2019 as well. Great. 2018, 18 I think it should be a Python series. Before that, if you're watching me, it is more about Java. Great. Okay, I want Mentimeter to hit at least 800 or 700 at least to start with the quiz. So everyone please mention that. So the number which you can see here at the right bottom, that is the number of people answering my question. The moment it hits 700, we'll start with the actual quiz. Okay, I can see majority of you have joined 2019, 20, 21, 22. Great, 2018 as well. That's a good number. And we have just hit 700. Okay, One more thing before we start with this is not a quiz question. This is just I want to understand. See, Java provides a lot of features, right? This is one of the most famous or best enterprise language. So according to you, of course, Java has multiple features. According to you, okay, tell me your ranking. Which of this feature of Java you love the most? And majority of you are saying simple. Okay, it just changed. Now you are selecting platform independence. I will tell you my ranking once you complete your answers. So independence, yes, Java is platform independent. Java is simple to use. Java is highly scalable. Java supports multi-threading, and it is secure by default. And I can see a lot of people are commenting here. Raj Lakshmi says from Vidyalanka School of Information, you visited the campus in year 2018. That's right. That's my college as well. I did my master's from Vidyalanka. Oh, I forgot to put one more point, right? That's what you're saying, Raj. Scalable. Oh, it's there. Highly scalability. High scalability is there. Okay. Uh, so almost 600 people have selected this. That's right. Java is platform independent. Java is also secure. So that's your sequence, right? For me, the first thing which comes on top is platform independence. Yes, that's for default. The second one for me is scalability. Java applications are highly scalable. Third for me is it is simple. Some people, I know some people will not be agreeing to that point because for them the other languages are much simpler. So it's about this the way you have learned a language, right? I believe Java is very simple. It's just that maybe you have not learned in a way it should be learned, or maybe you have not worked enough on Java to understand the crux of it. If you understand Java properly, it is one of the easiest language to master, even if you compare with Python or JavaScript. Great. So I got to know your points, and now I have a question for everyone, which is not a question but a request. If you like this video, hit that like button. I can see good number of likes, but then come on, we have 900 people watching this stream. Hit that like button if you're enjoying this session. And with this, I'm going for the quiz. But before that, if you have not joined, if you want to join this Mentimeter, make sure that you go to menti.com or mention this code, or you can scan with your mobile phone, or in the description, you will find a link for, yes. In the description, you will find a link for the Menti. Now the question arises, what if you win this game? What you will get? So let me share my screen. Before we are going for the question, I want to show you something. So what are the prizes for this? So the prizes are, okay. So you will find, okay, watch that. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so the prizes for this is, if you can see in the description, there are multiple things mentioned. There are the three prizes mentioned. First, second, and third. The first winner will get the course, which is the Java course. You can find a link. There's a link there. Yeah. So you can see there's a link which is Java Full Stack Live course. The course has a lot of topics: Core Java, Spring, Servlet, Hibernate, JDBC, NoSQL. Everything is bundled, and this is a 6 months live course. If you think about the cost for that course, it goes around lakhs. So if you check on internet how much this course should cost, it should be in lakhs. Check on the internet, you will get to know. But we believe in affordable education. We believe everyone should be able to learn stuff, and that's why the course price is only 4,000 rupees. But then, since we are playing this game, the winner will be getting that course for free. Plus, they will also get a course. In fact, the course which I'm mentioning is a live course. I'll be teaching there live for 6 months. The second course, the first winner will also get a Spring course, which is a recorded one from the website. The second winner will get the course, only the live course, not the Spring recorded videos. And the third winner will get 50% off on the live course. Amazing, right? And now, how do you participate in that? How will you win? So make sure that you click that link, go to that page, at least register on the website so that it will be easier for us. If you win, it will be easier to us to give you the access. Okay, now let's go for the next question. In fact, the actual series, the actual question starts now. So you're all set there? Okay, cool. So we have more than 700 people playing this game, and let's see who wins. All excited? Let me know in the chat window if you're excited for this game, everyone. Vijay says prize for only first two. No, third winner also gets 50% off, right? How many questions are there? Approximately 17, 18. I have not counted, but then 17, 18 questions are there, or more than that. Okay, Gokul says at least there should be 10 prizes. See, if I see the top 10 doing well, if they are very close, we might think about more prizes for top 10. If someone can't attend the live session, the recording will be available if you fail to attend the live session. Don't worry. Okay, cool. And the first question coming on your screen, I hope you're excited. So it's not just about right answer. It's also about a link is not loading. Which link is not loading? Can you check the links, please? The course link. Okay, we'll check that. If it is not working, we'll change it. Don't worry. It should work. The course link should work. Okay, the first question coming on your screen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. The first question coming on your screen. I can see everyone joined and I can see so many icons. Make sure that you use your proper name so that we can pronounce it live. Okay. Okay, there are so many people joined. Great. And the first question coming on your screen in next 3 seconds. And here we go. And let's see what is the question there. The question is Java is platform dependent, true or false? Make sure that you read the question properly. And as I mentioned before, right, it's not just about the right answer, it's also about the speed at which you're answering this. Okay, and let's see the right answer here, everyone. And majority of you are saying false, and that is correct. So maybe some people got confused with that term. Java is platform dependent. You can see there's no independent there. And we did that on purpose. So that's false, right? Java is not platform dependent, it is independent. Cool. Let's go for the next question, which is coming on your screen, and let's do it quickly. And the second question, okay, before we start with the second question, if you want to join this game, if you just join this Mentimeter, how do you join this? It's very simple. You go to menti.com and enter this code. Otherwise, you can find the link in the description, which is a quiz link, and you can join this game. And it's fun to play, okay? We are almost touching 1,000 people, okay? And that's crazy. And you have to be the top 3 out of this 1,000. Come on, everyone. And the second question coming on your screen, and here we go. Okay, second question is here. Which version of Java does not provide long-term support? In fact, the similar question was there in the last quiz, in the technical quiz. I think you should be able to answer this. Come on, come on, come on. And here we go. The answer. Oh, majority of you went for Java 8, and that's crazy. The answer is Java 13. Java 8 has a long-term support. Okay, maybe you're calculating the number of years. The idea is every time there's a new version, doesn't matter from which company or from which language, Java, Python, .NET framework languages, they all come with a support. It can be a short-term support, it can be a long-term support. So Java 8, 11, 17, they provide you long-term support. Okay, so the right answer here is 13. Okay, but you tried well, that's good. And let's see the leaderboard. I guess there will be leaderboard now. And who is coming on top? And I can see Simran on top here. Hi, Simran. I know you from the last quiz. Thank you so much for joining. And then we got Ayush Sharma, we got Yashwant, Hasib, Varun Bharadwaj as well. Varun, welcome back to the quiz. Varun was the third. Varun came in third position last time. Devi Prasad is there, and Sean, Sumit, Arun. So these are top 10. 1,000 people are playing this, but this is our top 10. But don't worry, we have more than 15, 16 questions, right? So you can still win, okay? Make sure that you give the right answer and fast. Okay, and let's go for the third question. So if you just joined this live quiz, I can see 1,000 people are watching this stream, and this is crazy. So make sure that if you want to join this game, Harsh, can you share the link in the chat once? Or maybe I can do it because I have the access today. No, I don't have. Can I join? Yes, everyone can join. You can find the link in description which says quiz link. Otherwise, you can go to menti.com and mention this code which is mentioned on the top here. And the code should look similar like this. Okay, someone says, got it wrong, can't make it to top 10. You can still do go to the top 10, okay? Because we have so many questions. So the next question coming on your screen in next 3 seconds. And the next question coming on your screen, and here we go. JVM stands for, easy question. It should be easy to answer, everyone. It's very easy. Is it Java Virtual Memory? Is it Java Virtual Machine? Is it Java Video Machine? Or is it none of this? And I can see in just 5 seconds, 5-10 seconds, we got 1,000 votes. That's awesome. Okay, if you can't, so majority of you're saying Java Virtual Machine, and that is correct. 6 people even went for Java Video Machine. Why you would say that? Okay, so if you are saying this, it's important for you to learn Java now, because in the interviews, they will ask you most of the questions on Java. So it's time to learn Java. Okay, and if you're not able to find the link, it's there in the description, everyone. So make sure that you go to description and find a link to join this game. You can still join, you can still win. Okay, with this, let's go for the next question. So the fourth question coming on your screen, and here we go. What is the extension of bytecode file? Is it .byte? Is it .obj, .java, .class? Okay, 3 seconds, and let's see who is giving the right answer. And what's the right answer? Okay, majority of saying .class, and that is correct. So the source code which you write is .java. Example, the code you write is .java. Once you compile the code, you get a .class file, which is called bytecode. The .object is done in the what you say C++, yeah, .obj. Okay, if you still want to join, we have made sure that you will find the link in the chat. So you can find the pinned chat comment or pinned chat where you'll find the link to join this quiz. And that's great to see that 1,000 people are playing this. Okay, now this we have the next question. I guess we'll be having a leaderboard. This time there might be some changes in the leaderboard. And let's see who is doing well this time. Simran Taylor is still on is still first. Then we got Ayush Sharma, great, and then we have Vardhaman Sidhu. Okay, great. Varun, you're still on fourth, doing great. Who is DT? What's your name, DT? In the chat, mention that. What's your name? Good job, everyone. But then we still have how many questions? We still have 15, 16 questions to cover. Let's go for the next question, everyone. So if you still want to join, you will find the link in the chat. You will find the link. You can scan the QR code, or you can use a Mentimeter. There are multiple ways to join this game. Come on, join. If you just join this live session, and please also hit that like button. That's what motivates me to do more of these live sessions. And tell me in the chat window how frequent you want this quiz to be. You want it on the weekly basis or once in 15 days, once in a month? Let me know in the chat window. Okay, so DT is Darshana Thakur. Great. Okay, fifth question coming on your screen. Here we go. Now, since we have so many questions, we have to move it fast. This time you have to type the answer. Okay, there's no MCQ. POJO stands for. Type the answer. Come on. Okay, POJO stands for majority of you're still typing, and the answer. Okay, the correct answer is plain old Java object. Some people have answered it. Okay, majority of you're saying objects. It's not objects. It's POJO. POJO is one object, right? So this plain old Java object. That's one mistake you made. Okay, Patrawala is asking what is the Mentimeter code. You will find the link in the chat, pinned chat, or you can see the code on the top here, which is 88106593. Okay, so just to give you a brief history about why we got a term which is plain old Java object, it's because before 2000 somewhere, people were working with enterprise application with the help of beans. Now, beans being a heavy element, they wanted to go for normal objects. But then normal object doesn't sound exciting, right? You can't simply say, hey, I work on objects. Instead of that, you can say, I work with POJO. That sounds cool, right? And that's why we got this new term. Okay, majority of you are saying we should do this once in a week. That's what I was thinking. So let's do it. No, it's not case sensitive. Okay, it's not case sensitive. Even if you say all small, it will still work. Okay, next question, sixth question, coming on your screen. It was not case sensitive, okay? Even if you have entered in small, it could have accepted it. Okay, what will be the value of X after the execution of below code? Okay, majority of saying 8. No, that's the tricky part, right? The answer is 315 is because, the answer is 7 is because this is the post increment. So in the post increment, you assign the value first and then you increment. Okay, and then there was some issue with the previous question. You are saying I have answered it wrong. Oh. So the answer itself is wrong. That's fine, majority. So none of you got the right answer, right? That's good. So we can just skip that question because anyway, none of you got the right answer. Oh, crazy. Okay, that's my bad. That's my bad. Okay, let's go for the seventh question. You can just forget that question was existing there. Okay, seventh question, everyone, and here we go. Seventh question coming on your screen. In Java, classes are grouped into. So what do we do to group all the classes? Is it folder, library, var file, or package? Okay, majority of saying package, and that is correct. Yes, package itself is a folder, but then the proper word which we use is package itself. So we package all the things. Praveen Kumar says, so bonus points because of the wrong answer. Anyway, everyone went wrong, right? So we'll give the bonus, don't worry. How can I give the bonus? I don't know. Okay, next question. Where's the next question? I guess we'll be having a leaderboard now. Yes, we have a leaderboard. And this time the leaderboard will be a bit different. And let's see who has given the right answer. Anyway, see, everyone went wrong with the POJO question. So it doesn't matter. what worked with was the two more questions, right, which we did. And the leaderboard says Simran is on top. We got Ayush, Vardhaman. There's no changes in top three. DT came ahead now, and then we got Harshal, Varun, Prasanna, Yojana, Manish, and Dinesh. New entries in the leaderboard. Good. You can still win this. As I mentioned before, right? It's not just about coming first. It's about learning as well. Great. If you have just joined, you can use a link. And that's the thing with YouTube, right? YouTube will share this video later. So if you have just joined, you can still connect and win this game, or you can at least learn something. So you can find the link in the chat window or in the description. Great. Now let's go for the next question. 8th question coming on your screen, and here we go. Which of this is the right syntax to declare abstract method? Okay. This will be a bit tricky. And majority of you are saying first option, and that is correct. We say public abstract void show. And just one more thing, I'm not sure if I forgot to mention that. All these questions are based on Java 8, okay? Because after Java 8, there's a lot of changes in the language itself. So all these questions are based on Java 8. Okay, and first answer is correct, which is public abstract void show. Okay. And people who are answering in the chat window, please join this quiz and answer in this Mentimeter. How do you join Mentimeter? It's very simple. Go to the link, go to the chat window, and you will find the pinned link, and you can use that. And come on, yeah, hit the like button. That's very important. That's what motivates me to do this live session more. Okay, now let's go for the next question. 9th question coming on your screen. Here we go. Instance variables are variables. Okay, what are the options? Are the variables declared inside the method, declared inside an interface, declared outside the class, and declared inside a class but outside any method? Okay, where do you put your instance variable? Okay, I can see 900 people already voted for this question. And okay, the right answer is the last one. So basically, you declare the instance variable outside the method but inside the class. That there's a portion where you mentioned that, right? So the variables which you declare inside the method, what we call them? Come on, use the chat window to answer that one. What do you call the variables which are declared inside the method? Okay. Let's go for the next question. 10th question coming on your screen. We still have 10 more questions to win. Come on, everyone. You can still win this game. If you want to join this Mentimeter, use that link and join. 10th question on your screen. Here we go. All local variables leave on. Okay. Is it stack? Is it heap? Is it queue? So the instance variables goes into heap memory. And the answer for this question, local variable goes into stack, and that is correct. Good job, everyone. You're doing good. And I guess we'll be having a leaderboard now. And let's see if there are any changes in the leaderboard. Okay, this time I think Ayush will go up. Yes, Ayush is on top. We got Simran, Harshal doing good job. You're on top 3. Varun is on 4th, doing well, Varun. And then we got Dinesh, Manish. And everyone selected the right answer, maybe? Or maybe except that Pojo part. So imagine we just have done with 9 questions, and so all of this have answered the right question, but then there's a difference in time. As I mentioned before, it's about the time, right? Speed is also important. Okay, so we have done with the 10 questions. 11th question coming on your screen. I hope you're excited. I am for the next 9 questions. It might be a bit difficult going forward. So let's go for the next question. Which of this is not true about constructor? name of a constructor should be same as class name. We can have two constructor in the same class. Okay. Now this one was a bit tricky. We can do constructor overloading, but then it was all about having two constructor. Yeah. So it was none of this. We can have two constructors and it should be the same name as class name. Okay, Neither says please do also on other languages. Yes, we'll do that. Next time we should try with Python as well. Okay, 12th question coming on your screen, and here we go. How to declare constant in Java? How do we create a constant variable? As I mentioned before, this is Java 8, okay? So answer according to Java 8, which is the most famous version as of now. And okay, let's see what you're answering. It's public static final. That is correct. We don't have we don't use const keyword in Java, and we don't use const. So anyway, the first and fourth option is removed. We use static to access the static variables, but then if you want to define constant, we have to use static final. Even static is not compulsory, but then if you're making it final, that means all the objects will have the same value. It makes sense to make it static. Okay, next question. So 13th question, come on, we only have 7 more questions to go. If you still want to join this game, use a link in the chat, or you can use a link in the description mentioned. And here we go. The 13th question, which method is used to suspend the thread for a particular time? Is it sleep, wait, hold, or stop? Okay, and let's see the answers. It is sleep. That is correct, because in sleep you can mention the time, and it is compulsory to use time there, right? And that is correct. Okay, now there is a problem with the previous question. The data type was missing, is it? Let's verify. Oh, right. Okay, but that's fine. Anyway, so which one looks very which one looks very familiar here? Is it the first one or the last one? We don't have a const. We don't use const keyword, right? So. And let's see the leaderboard here. And in the leaderboard, we got Ayush is still on top. Then we got Simran. And there are some changes in the leaderboard. We got Yojna on the 3rd position now. Great job. Deepak Kumar is a new entry. Then we got Tithir Shah is a new entry in the leaderboard. Great job. Okay, let's go for the next question, everyone. And the 14th question coming on your screen. And here we go. So if you get confused with the option, select the nearest one. Okay, dividing a number by 0 leads to which type of exception? The font is very small. Let me just read it here. Is it number formal exception? Is it number 0 exception? Is it divide by 0 exception? Is it arithmetic exception? Okay, majority of you are saying arithmetic exception, and that is correct. Good job. Okay, next question, 15th question coming on your screen. 15th question coming on your screen. Here we go. ToString method belongs to which class? Tricky one. Is it class? Is it object? Is it string? Is it string buffer? Okay, and let's see. Is it... And the right answer is object, right? So by default, every class in Java extends object class. So let's say if you define a class like A, so class A by default extends the object class, and that's why you're able to access the ToString method there. Cool. Yeah, the package is util package, Java dot, no, not util package, Java.lang package. Okay, let's go for the 16th one here. 16th question coming on your screen. Dash is achieved by combining the methods and attributes in a class. Is it encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance? And let's see the right answer. And majority of you are saying encapsulation, and that is correct. That's encapsulation. Okay, and let's see the leaderboard with this. So Ayush is still doing good. Okay, we got Ayush on top, then we got Simran, Yojna, Vardhaman, Harshil. Any new entry in the list? We got Harshita, new entry in the list. Come on, everyone, you can still win this. We have how many questions left? So we have 17, we have 3 more questions. So before that, I just have one more thing. So the prizes, if you are new to this game, the prizes for this game is the Java course, which is launching. So the live sessions, Java live course is coming on 9th July. In this live session, I will teach you everything: Core Java, Servlet, Spring, Hibernate. This is a 6 months job ready course, most of enterprise level course, and it will be coming from 9th July. And the fees for this, normally in the market, the fees goes in lakhs, but then we just wanted to make it affordable for everyone to join, and that's why the fees is only 4,000. But the winners will get it for free, the first and second winner. The third winner will give you, maybe, let's go for 75% then. Okay, 17th question coming on your screen. Okay, which of this thing cannot be final? Is it interface? Is it class? Is it method? Is it variable? Okay, and the answer is interface, and that is correct. You can't make interface final. Awesome. So there's one chat from Simon Andrew. The people that win don't even need the course. Okay. So the thing is, the course will not just have Core Java, right? The course will have Spring, Hibernate, and so many things. No SQL, SQL. So yes, they know Core Java, but they don't know the other parts, right? So it will be beneficial for them. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go for the next question. Oh, but there's one more thing. How will you define who is, how will you get this course access? So make sure that if you think you can win, just go to the website of iNeuron and register yourself. At least your email ID will be there, so that I can just give you the access in one day. Maybe by tomorrow evening, you will get the access if you win this game. Okay, Kumar Swami says, if I have taken the course, but where to access? If you have already taken the course, don't worry. The live session will start from 9th July. We still have 1 month. Okay. What's the standard fee for the course? The course is only 4,000 rupees. It's a live session for 6 months. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Come on, for two questions. If you want to join Menti, just use the link and join this game. And let's see if you can give the right answer for last two questions. So the 18th question coming on your screen, and here we go. What is the correct syntax for try catch? Okay, 300 people already voted. Are you even seeing the options? Okay, and majority of saying second, and that is correct. You define a try block and then you define a catch block. But catch block need to find a exception either. Okay, Palab says, sir, will you start from basic? Yes, in the live course, we'll start from basic to the end. Okay, second and third. Someone says second and third look same. No, the second and third are different because in the third option we have a bracket next to try. Okay, and with this, I guess we have a leaderboard. And let's see if you are doing well there. Okay, Ayush is still doing well. So the first three is not changing there, right? Ayush, Simran, and Yojana, there's no change, but still have one question. We still have one question, and let's see if that works. Okay, Rohan Kumar says that I need 15% discount. Hey Rohan, there's already 10% discount. You can check the link which is there for the course. If you register with that link, Java Telusko, in fact, you can use my code which is Telusko 10 and you will get 10% off. And hardly 10%, 12, 15% will make a difference of 200 rupees, I guess. Okay, Mohammed says Java already dead. Which world you are living, Mohammed? Java is there. Okay, last question coming on your screen. And the 19th question coming on your screen, and here we go. A obj equal to new A. In this code, obj is called what? Is it an object? Is it an instance? Is it a reference? Is it none of this? What do you call it? And let's see what you are calling it. Okay, some people are saying object. That's right in terms of C language, C++ language. But in Java, we call them as reference. It is a reference. Just a second. Okay, Raju says, what's the timing for the course? The timing is Saturday, Sunday, weekend. You will find everything in the chat, in the link. So if you go to, in fact, let me just show you that here. If you go to Aniron, in fact, there are so many courses here. But my course is where? So you can check out the syllabus, which is there. So you can see we are basically learning everything, full stack Java. In fact, you can watch this video to get more information. Look at the topics. We have Java. There will be NoSQL, Hibernate, Spring. In fact, there are so many things which are not mentioned, which I can't see here. You can see we have Spring, Hibernate, NoSQL. We got Docker as well. And the most important thing is microservices and everything for 4000. And the timing is also mentioned. This will be from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. weekend. And the fees is actually early launch fees, maybe for next 3 to 4 days. Then it will go up. Okay, coming back to the Menti. You will find the link for the course in the description. How can you share the link in the chat window once? Yes, recorded videos will be available. So if you are not able to watch live, they will be recording and you will be having a lifetime access to it. Okay. So there's a question, why don't we call it as instance? Obj is called reference. This new A is the instance. Okay, and with this, we have done with the Menti. Now, if you are the winner, so I will not show you the screen now. So I'm going to a leaderboard, but I will not show you the leaderboard. What you have to do is, if you are in top 3, or maybe even if you're in top 5, let's do this. Even if you're in top 5, send me the screenshot. Now, where do we send the screenshot? Send the screenshot on connect@telusko.com. Can you type the email ID in the chat, please? Send a screenshot if you're in top 5 only, okay? Send a screenshot at connect@telusko.com. So for the remaining 2, we'll give good amount of discount. Akhil says, what's the use of giving this course to Ayush and Simran? See, they know Java, right? What about the other part? Okay, I'm not showing the leaderboard yet, but yeah, that's a leaderboard. Leaderboard, if you can see that thing on your screen, take a screenshot and send me at connect@telusko.com. There's a question from Soham. Is the certificate does have any value? I always believe certificate have no value. It's all about what you have learned, your skill set, and what project you have done. Okay, Mohit says this quiz was awesome. We need this every week, and that's the plan. We'll do it every week. Okay. So everyone, top 5, send the screenshot at connect@telusko.com. Once we receive that, we'll share the thing. Let me do one more thing. Let me share the score. And let's see the leaderboard here. I'm sharing my screen once again. And let's see the leaderboard. Who is on top? It is Ayush Sharma, I guess, who is on top. And that is correct. It is Ayush Sharma. Second, we got Simran. Third is Yojna. And then we got Harsh and Varun. Varun, you are in top 5. We'll give you some discount as well. Or let's do one thing. Top 10. Send us a screenshot. We'll give you some discount, more than 10%. Okay, what course I'm talking about? You can just go to this link. Let me just share the link in the description. Can you just paste the link once again, Harsh? So you will find the course link in the description. Okay, how much course in dollars? It's I guess it is $59, if I'm not wrong. Varshit says, sir, your teaching cost more than 4,000 rupees. That's why we kept it low. And you will find the course link in the description. That's what we are offering you. Okay. So we got a screenshot from Yojna, we got a screenshot from Varun, and we got from Ayush. Okay, so we'll connect with you after this, and then so by tomorrow you will get the access to the course. Anyway, the course is starting from 9th July. As I mentioned before, this will be enterprise ready course. In fact, I will make a separate video on these steps. What are the things we will be offering you? And this course will have projects, assignments. It will make you job ready in 6 months. I'm from Toronto. Would international students will be able to pay to credit card? Yes, you will be able to pay that. So the payment gateway does support international payments. Umar Singh says $647. No, it's only $59 for the course. So yeah, that's it from this live session, everyone. I hope you enjoyed, and let me show you once more the winners, and that's the winners. See you in the next live session. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know the topic in the chat. What topic you want for the next session, next quiz? Should we do advanced part next time? Servlet, JSP, Spring. Okay, every week it should be on Saturdays. Just that this Saturday I will be in Bangalore for the hackathon. So Inidon is arranging a hackathon. If you have not checked it, check my video on hackathon announcement on hackathon. You will find a link to register. And if you are there in Bangalore, let's meet on Saturday. So that's it. Let me know the topic which you want the quiz to be. Some people are saying Spring. Oops. Okay, we'll do that. Blockchain. Yeah, let's plan for blockchain next time. It should be fun. So please find the link in the chat for the course and see you in the course.